What do you want tonight?
Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking and for other recipe tutorials. Now in the last video I've been showing you how to make the carrot and walnut cake. Now in this recipe tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect chocolate brownies, which is a brownie recipe that I'm going to be showing you. So for the recipe tutorial about the recipe that I'm going to be showing you what to do, and the instructions for the in the description box. First off, in this recipe video is to put in 225 grams of unsalted butter in this part of the recipe, and also put in 450 grams. That's a pound of caster sugar, 1 pound of caster sugar. And all you have to do is to gently melt the two ingredients together in a large pan. Once the butter and the sugar is melted, take it off the heat and add in 140 grams of dark chocolate that's been broken into pieces. Take the mixture off the heat and add the melted broken up pieces of chocolate, which is 140 grams. So stir this until the broken up chocolate is melted. Next in the recipe is to add in 5 eggs. Beat all those 5 eggs first. Then the next part is to stir in 55 grams of cocoa powder, and lastly 110 grams of plain flour. And then sift these two ingredients in together. Stir both the cocoa powder and the self-raising flour in the mixture until it's like a brownie mixture. Next thing is to pour this brownie mixture into the brownie tin, which has already been greased and lined onto with a baking paper. This is the brownie mixture that's been put into the tin and ready to be put in the oven. Now it's going to be preheated to 190 degrees C and put in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top of the brownie is just firm and wobble in the middle. So pause the video now. I'm going to be showing you what it looks like after it's been baked. This is a brownie appearance that has been baked in the oven after 35 minutes for 190 degrees C in the oven. Now if you like this brownie recipe I showed you today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the like button if you like this tutorial and enjoyed it. And also, don't forget to put in the comment section box below to say what recipes you want me to do next and one of your favourite recipes you want me to do. So, in this instance, I'll see you in the next recipe tutorial video. Bye.